welcome back to my channel. Today is January 13th and it's actually my birthday, and that's why I'm so excited. I already had such a lovely day today, and later tonight we are going out. But before I get ready for tonight, I really wanted to take the time that I have now to film a new video, because I actually got myself a new Chanel bag for my birthday and I really want to wear it tonight, so I thought it would be a really great time to unbox this handbag with you guys now, and I'm so excited about it because it has been on my wish list for such a long time. But before I get started with the unboxing, I just want to say that it would mean so much to me if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I make new videos each week, especially about designer handbags and a lot about luxury too. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, it would mean so much to me and I would love to have you back. But before I ramble on too much now, let's get straight into the unboxing, because I do have to speed this video up a bit because I need to get ready afterwards. So let's unbox my new handbag. So inside this Chanel bag is my new bag, and I really like Chanel packaging so much. I think it is just so classy and stylish. But let's pull out the box first. So inside here is my new bag, baby, and I'm just so excited because this handbag has been on my wish list for such a long time. It's actually a really classy one and I really am so obsessed with it, and I'm so happy and I can't wait to wear it tonight. Well, here you can see it has the camellia on top. Let's pull it off. Let's put it to the flowers and let's put off the ribbon. So excited. And here is the wrapping paper, the black dust bag, and on the inside it actually has another camellia, but you can really see which style I got. I got myself a new boy bag. I'm so excited, guys. It is such a little beautiful cutie. Here they put a Chanel sticker on. I really don't want to ruin the packaging because I'm so obsessed with packaging. But inside is my beautiful new little boy bag. Isn't this handbag so gorgeous? I love it so much. As you can see, I purchased it in black, and this one is the small size. I do have the size up too, and if you want to have a bag comparison video, I can totally film one. But this time I purchased the handbag in smooth leather, and it is actually my first handbag from Chanel that doesn't have caviar leather, so I'm really excited to see how the leather really wears. I was really hesitant at first, but I really wanted a handbag that has smooth leather too from Chanel. So let's pull off the sticker because I will definitely wear it tonight, so let's pull it off. I'm always so careful with this stuff. So here you can see how it looks without the sticker. I love the boy bag so much, and I'm so excited that I finally have a second boy bag. I will definitely film a bag comparison video for you guys because I do think that the drop length of both of these bags is really different. I really actually prefer the small size to the medium size that I have, but I will definitely share in another video with you guys. But this cutie is so beautiful. I'm so excited. I think it is such a classy handbag, and I do think that it is a handbag that I will keep forever. So I'm really excited that I got myself this handbag for my 25th birthday, and I just can't wait to wear it tonight. So guys, that is already it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing this quick unboxing video of my new Chanel boy bag. I'm so in love with this handbag. It's so classy and I'm so excited that I finally have it in my collection. I know I didn't share an awful lot about the handbag in this video, but I will definitely share it in other videos, and I will for sure film a handbag comparison video of this size and my medium-sized boy bag. I think it's really interesting to see the size difference because it's actually quite hefty. So if you don't want to miss these videos, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you back. And also while you're down there, if you like Chanel too, give this video a thumbs up. See you soon, guys. Bye!